The options market can be a confusing place. Sorting through the daily avalanche of data, alerts, updates, articles, and analysis to find the most important information is an overwhelming prospect. But now you have help. Welcome to the Options News Rundown, the only program that breaks through the noise to bring you the most important news and information from the world of options. Every day, we bring you the top 5 option stories curated by the options experts at theoptionsinsider.com, the premier source for options information. The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider. And now it's time to break through the noise. It's time for your Options News Rundown.
Hello traders, this is your Options News Rundown for Wednesday, February 28th. Today's first story is from CNBC. The company behind one of the last VIX volatility products is making moves to reduce the volatility of the funds. ProShare Capital Markets said late yesterday that it was reducing leverage on the ProShares VIX short-term futures ETF, also known as SVXY, and the ProShares Ultra VIX short-term futures ETF, UVXY, effective at the close of trading yesterday. Buying the SVXY was a bet that volatility would go down. The fund's value has dropped nearly 90% this month as volatility exploded. A competitor fund, the Velocity Shares Daily Inverse VIX XIV, was also decimated and has since closed. The SVXY was based on a simple concept. It would react in the opposite direction of volatility. So, if volatility went down 10%, the fund was designed to gain 10%. But the opposite would also hold true. If volatility rose 10%, then the fund would drop 10%. ProShares is now reducing the amount of leverage involved. The SVXY will now seek results that are half as much as the reverse of an index in a single day. So if volatility raises 10% on any given day, the fund will only drop 5%, not as the 10% as it would have dropped before. Next is a story from Reuters. Wall Street's main indexes rose this morning after the downward revision of U.S. economic growth in the fourth quarter weakened the case for faster increase in interest rates. The U.S. Commerce Department said that gross domestic product expanded at a 2.5% annual rate instead of the previously reported 2.6% pace. Strong economic data earlier in the month had raised fear among traders that U.S. interest rates would rise faster than previously expected, sparking Wall Street's biggest sell-off in 2 years. Even with the recent gains, the SPX and Dow Jones Industrial Average are still on course for their first monthly fall since last March. And we're back to CNBC for our last story. Apple shares hit a new all-time high yesterday, riding the wave of praise this week from famed investor Warren Buffett. The stock rose to $180.48 a share yesterday in intraday trading, according to FactSet, passing the previous high of $180.10. Shares hit an intraday high of $179.39 in the regular trading session on Monday, just missing the all-time high after Buffett spoke to CNBC. According to him, Apple has, quote, extraordinary consumer franchise, said to Squawk Box on Monday. I can see how strong that ecosystem is to an extraordinary degree. You are very, 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 with 3 berries, locked in at least psychologically and mentally, to the product that you're using. iPhone is a very sticky product. Its forward is one paragraph. Buffett added that his firm, Berkshire Hathaway, had bought more Apple than anything else over the past year. Apple is now a Berkshire Hathaway second largest position in terms of market value, behind Wells Fargo and ahead of Bank of America. Apple shares have risen about 30% over the last year amid early expectations that a slew of customers would upgrade to new models, such as the pricey iPhone X. But excitement around Apple has waned slightly, and other big tech names such as Microsoft and Amazon have seen faster growth. Nonetheless, Apple remains the largest public company in terms of market capitalization by a wide margin. That's it for today. You can find all of these stories and more on theoptionsinsider.com. I'll be back tomorrow with more options news you can use. 862% late yesterday. That's all we have for today. You can find all of these stories and more on theoptionsinsider.com. I'll be back tomorrow with more options news you can use.
The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider.